Great to learning all about Saturn this week. So, on Monday and Tuesday, we learned facts about Saturn. And today, we're going to start to learn about Saturn's most famous moon, which is called Titan. And Titan is the second biggest moon in the solar system. It's even bigger than the planet Mercury. That's crazy. And so, today, we are on a really cool website. It's NASA's website. And I've linked it into your remote learning plans because you can totally use it during your response day on Seesaw. Today, you're going to just be recording facts about Titan. So we're going to talk a lot about facts together here. And then you can always go back to this link and reference it to fill out your fact sheet, okay? So today, I thought it'd be really cool for us to start by taking some really cool images that different spacecraft have taken of Titan, which is one of Saturn's moons. And so here is Titan. If we take a look, hopefully it will pop up here. Sometimes it goes a little slow. There we go. And so here is Titan. And then here is another one of Saturn's moons. So it kind of gives you an idea just how big Titan is compared to the other moons. Saturn's fourth largest moon, Dione, can be seen through the haze of the planet's largest moon, Titan. And so here is the largest moon of Saturn, which is Titan. And then another cool picture I thought were these two pictures here, because it kind of shows you the surface of Titan. So take a look at that. Kind of almost looks like a desert, right? So it looks like there might be some mountains, some cliffs, some valleys. Looks really cool. And then if we also take a look at a couple more really fun pictures. Oh, here's a fun one. This is the surface of Titan, so the ground on Titan. That's what it looks like. Isn't that so cool? How we can see that, and it's so far away from Earth. This image was returned January 4th, 2005 by your European Space Agency Huygens probe during its successful descent to land on Titan. This is the color view following processing and adding reflection spectra data, and it gives a better indication of the actual color of the surface. So this could be very close to what the surface of the moon Titan actually looks like, which is so cool to see. And if we take a look at some of these other pictures of Titan, is such a cool, so here is another image of Titan. You can kind of get an idea of what it looks like. Isn't that so cool? Yeah, so it says, due to the changing Saturn seasons, in this late northern spring view, the illumination is significantly changed from that seen by VIMS during the T9 flyby. So that changes what it looks like depending on the seasons, which was really cool. So what we're going to do is we're going to read a little bit about Titan now to build some background information. So we're going to go to the overview. And it says, Saturn's largest moon, Titan, is an extremely and exceptional world. An extraordinary and exceptional world. Among our solar system's more than 150 known moons, Titan is the only one with a substantial atmosphere. And we learned that yesterday in our Brain Pop video, that it actually has an atmosphere, which is really cool. And all the places in the solar system, Titan is the only place besides Earth known to have liquids in the forms of rivers, lakes, and seas on its surface. That is really cool. Titan is larger than planet Mercury and is the second largest moon in our solar system. Jupiter's moon Ganymede is just a little bit larger by about 2%. Titan's atmosphere is made mostly of nitrogen, like Earth's, but with a surface pressure 50% higher than Earth's. Titan has clouds, rain, rivers, lakes, and seas of liquid hydrocarbons, like methane and ethane. The largest seas are hundreds of feet deep and hundreds of feet wide. Beneath Titan's thick crust of water, ice is more liquid, an ocean primarily of water rather than methane. Titan's subsurface water can be a place to harbor life as we know it, while its surface lakes and seas of liquid hydrocarbons could conceivably harbor life that uses different chemistry than we're used to. That is, life as we don't know yet. Titan could also be a lifeless world. We just don't know. And so here are some cool pictures of Titan. Here's Titan by the rings. That's his atmosphere. And some clouds on Titan, right? And here are some 10 need-to-know things about Titan. Titanic moon. Saturn's largest moon, Titan, is the second largest moon in the solar system and is bigger than Mercury. Titan orbits Saturn, which orbits the Sun at a distance of about 886 million miles, about 10 times farther from the Sun than Earth orbits. Slow sunrise. The same side of Titan always faces Saturn, so Titan takes 16 days to orbit Saturn and to rotate once. Titan is an icy moon with a surface of rock-hard water ice, but Titan also likely has a liquid water ocean beneath its surface. So its surface is icy, but underneath it, there could be liquids. Titan is the only moon in the solar system known to have a substantial atmosphere, which is mostly nitrogen like Earth's. Titan has no known moon, but it's possible for a moon to have moons. That's cool, I didn't know that. Titan has no rings, but some of Saturn's moons may have had rings in the past, while some of Saturn's moons create rings around the planet. 3 other spacecraft, Pioneer 11, Voyagers 1 and 2, study Titan while flying by Saturn, but Cassini flew close by Titan 127 times while in Saturn's orbit for 13 years. And you're going to learn all about that tomorrow, first grade. Titan's surface ocean might be a place where life as we know could exist, while its surface lakes and seas of liquid hydrocarbons might be places to look for life as we don't know it. And Titan's air is dense enough that you could walk around without a spacesuit, but you'd need an oxygen mask and protection from the bitter cold. And then here is another view of Titan here. There's so many things to learn about Titan. And then on this page, if you would like to further explore this on your own, you totally can. I've linked it in your remote learning plan. It has its size and its distance, which we briefly touched on already. About its orbit, it takes 15 days and 22 hours to do a full orbit of Saturn. Its structure, formation, then its surface. Remember, it's an icy planet, but yet it does have flowing water below its surface. Its atmosphere, it has a substantial atmosphere like Earth does, and a potential for life as we don't know it yet. Here's another really cool picture of Titan. So today, you are going to fill in some facts that we have learned about Titan on Seesaw. If you want to learn even more, this link is in your remote learning plan. You can click on it and then explore this website to gather more information about Titan, which I think is a really cool moon. So go ahead and head over to Seesaw and get started on tracking some things that you have learned. All right, I'll see you tomorrow, first grade.